remind how we must to do. Paper must be made with a certain process, paper that we use every day. But do you know, the side effect of pulp or paper processing is produce waste and two forms, and solid and liquid. Sympathizing with the environment circumstances that have bad waste treatment condition. So this time we will give you all to know about how to processing liquid waste from pulp process for bleaching. Now, at the number 1, we'll be start with bar screening to take out the bigger size. At the number 2, it will be entered to the grid camber. After that, at the number 3, it will be in the first settling tank. From the first, the yield will be joined in the coagulant tank. After that, number 5 will be inserted to the second settling tank. Number 6 will be at the disinfectant filter, and the number 7 it will be in the sand filter. And the last will be yield the clean water storage, and the number 8, 9.
The first filter used in wastewater treatment of pulp and paper industry is the bar screening. This mechanical filter is used in preliminary treatment in order to remove large objects from the wastewater and to avoid clogging of the pump.
So, the second process is grid chamber. Grid chamber is a long narrow tank that are designed to slow down the flow so that the solids such as grain, solid grain, and eggshell will flow out of the water.
The next we have in primary treatment is a settling tank, the first settling tank. The settling tank is also called by sedimentation tank or clarifier. This tank purifies water by allowing the heavier particle to settle out of the wastewater, and these particles are what we are going to call as primary sludge. The primary sludge will be treated later further in the digester.
And the third step is coagulanting. Coagulant are chemicals that are mixed into the water, and thick colloidal deposits are formed that named as flake, and this flake will attract the dirt that are suspended in the water and settle it out to the bottom of the tank.
After aeration, we have the second settling tank. What's the difference between the first settling tank and the second settling tank? The difference is the second settling tank allows the lighter particle to settle out on the wastewater. This lighter particle is what we gonna call as secondary sludge. Similar to primary sludge, the secondary sludge will be treated later in the digester or in the aeration tank.
And the sixth step is disinfectant tank. In the disinfectant tank, the chlorination process happens. In this chlorination process, before add as a disinfectant, the chlorine addition will act as an oxidizer. And if the need of chlorine to the oxidizer has been fulfilled, the chlorine will act as a disinfectant. And the need of disinfection of the chlorine depends on several factors, such as the amount of chlorine used, contact time, and of course temperature and the type of microbe concentrate.
And then the last treatment of the system is called sand filter. Now don't be fooled, the sand filter is not about separating the sand from the wastewater, but using the sand to filter the wastewater. The filter can be replaced by another filter like granite or anthracite and others. This method is used to further reduce the toxicity, pathogens, organics, or color. The result of this last treatment is clean water that then will be stored in a separate new tank later.
Maybe that is the explanation from our group about the processing of wastewater treatment of the pulp and paper. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.